Experiment. The word experiment is commonly used in English to refer to a scientific procedure or activity carried out to test a hypothesis or investigate a phenomenon. It involves systematically controlling variables and making observations to gather data and draw conclusions. In a scientific context, an experiment typically follows a specific structure. 1. Objective. Clearly state the purpose of the experiment and what you hope to achieve. Example: the objective of this experiment is to determine the effect of temperature on plant growth. 2. Hypothesis. Formulate a hypothesis, which is an educated guess about the outcome of the experiment. Example: if the temperature is increased, then the plants will grow faster. 3. Variables. Identify and manipulate the independent variable, the factor being tested, and measure the dependent variable, the outcome. Example: the independent variable is temperature, and the dependent variable is plant growth. 4. Control. Establish a control group that does not receive any manipulation to serve as a baseline for comparison. Example: keep a group of plants at a constant temperature, control group, while subjecting another group to increased temperatures. 5. Procedure. Clearly outline the steps needed to carry out the experiment, including the materials and methods used. Example: plant seeds in identical pots, place them in 2 separate rooms, and expose one room to higher temperatures using heaters. 6. Data collection. Record and analyze the data obtained during the experiment. Example: measure the height of the plants weekly and record the results in a table or graph. 7. Conclusion. Evaluate the data and determine whether the hypothesis was supported or rejected. Example: the data showed that the plants in the higher temperature room grew faster, supporting the hypothesis. Apart from scientific experiments, the term experiment can also be used in a broader sense to describe any trial or test conducted to explore or experience something new. Example 1. John decided to experiment with different spices while cooking to enhance the flavor of his dishes. Example 2. Sarah wanted to experiment with a new hairstyle, so she went to the salon and got a trendy haircut. Example 3. The company conducted an experiment by changing their marketing strategy to see if it would attract more customers. In these examples, the word experiment is used to indicate trying something different or exploring new possibilities outside of a scientific context.